The First Start Wizard is your portal to getting started with Emsada. Enter your company's details, the time zone you're based in, your open days and your opening hours. Once these details are entered, the First Start Wizard automatically calculates your hourly charge for you and creates a calendar which can be used to view and manage tickets. You can also create particular rates for specific customers, with the option to add overtime rates for out-of-hours support, default SLA minutes, sub-invoice minutes and inclusive minutes. The final step is to enter a dedicated monitoring email address. This is where any notification emails related to Emsada will be sent. Once your open days and hours have been entered in the First Start Wizard, Emsada creates a calendar which the business can use to sort and organise your tickets. The calendar can also be used for meetings, events and reminders with colour coding for easy browsing at a glance. Get a full overview of your customers from the Customers tab. The Customers tab gives you the ability to synchronise each customer's contacts with their local Active Directory, ensuring customer contact details remain up-to-date and accurate and reducing repetitive work. Once Emsada has been installed on one machine on the customer's network, simply set the agent to deploy mode using the Agent List tab. Every machine in the network will immediately receive the agent, connect to the console, and be automatically assigned to the customer's group. This avoids the need for complicated scripts in group policy, simplifying and vastly reducing time spent on this task. The agent deployment process can now be told to target a particular OU in Active Directory, to avoid deploying the agent to machines that don't require it. Emsada's ticketing system is simple but powerful, with easy-to-navigate features. When a ticket is created, each member of your IT support team is notified so you can respond quickly, and the ticket is instantly viewable from the Tickets tab, where it can be assigned to a technician or department. Emsada's built-in chat feature also enables instant messaging between team members. When a ticket is created, Emsada can automatically email the end user with the ticket's number subject, with the option to record all future email communication within the ticket itself. Tickets can be easily filtered by over 10 customizable categories, including priority, the technician assigned to the ticket, the customer, the date the ticket was created, and ticket type. In the Ticket Configuration tab, you can customize how Emsada creates and organizes tickets. Create and customize possible statuses, possible severities, and possible types for your tickets. Each ticket also tracks the time spent on each request, feeding vital information into your on-demand reports for accurate KPI tracking. Within the Agent List tab, you can see each customer machine at a glance, with data and information for that specific machine attached. Double-click a particular machine for a complete overview, including how much CPU power it's using, how much hard drive space it has left, its event logs and scheduled tasks, file transfer between agent and technician, and much more. From here, you can access the machine's command prompt to solve issues remotely without the need to interrupt the user currently using the machine. You can also set alerts for triggers such as low disk space, antivirus definition dates, security groups, event log events, Windows services interruption, and server monitoring. The Emsada agent gathers information about software that is installed on each device. This can be viewed on individual agents' tabs or viewed as a full list of all installed software on every agent. This is very useful if you need to know if a specific software component is installed somewhere for license or security reasons. From the overview screen, you can also instruct an agent to uninstall software. For example, if a particular version of software poses a security vulnerability, You can use Emsada to filter results by software version and uninstall that particular version from all agents, saving significant time. You can configure Emsada to notify you when an agent reconnects by right-clicking the agent's name and selecting Notify me when the agent next connects. Agent policies are an incredibly powerful set of user-configurable rule sets that control the monitoring of devices and how agents react to events. Health policies can report on such items as local users being added to high-security groups, free disk space alerts, disconnection alerting, and antivirus monitoring. Further, when the events occur, it is possible to set how Emsada should react when an event takes place. For example, sending an email, creating a ticket, or running a script. Such a scenario could be that when free disk space on PCs reaches a limit, a script can be automatically triggered to clear temporary files. This is an ideal way to efficiently ensure that machines continue to run at peak performance, without needing to manually monitor each one. Event policies can be set to trigger when an event is detected. This is similar to health policies, but with the flexibility to cover any event that may post to the event logs. Emsada can send an email, create a ticket, or run a script when an event occurs. Services policies stipulate how services should be configured. For example, changing the startup type, starting a service if stopped, or emailing if a service stops. By adding the configuration to a policy, it is possible to apply the changes to all devices, substantially reducing the amount of work. Emsada integrates with an optional Emsada environment monitoring device. Support tickets are automatically raised once temperature or humidity thresholds are reached. Emsada allows you to remotely run scripts for both individual machines and machines as a group. In addition to scripts, machine restarts and shutdowns can also be scheduled, software installed, and all types of processes can be run. If it can be scripted, Emsada can run it. The scripts can be Command or PowerShell, and the results viewed on completion. For example, a script could be written that installs an application, then sets registry keys for the program to run in a certain way. This can be run on the desired devices, or if a device is off, it would run when the device next connects. Multiple scripts can be deployed automatically to unlimited groups of agents, whether they are online or offline. Save time by performing tasks just once, ensuring that all agents are updated simultaneously. Live monitoring allows you to keep track of any current system events via a dashboard, such as machine errors or warnings on all monitored devices. The dashboard tells you the device affected, the event's first occurrence, when it last occurred, and the count. From here, it is possible to create a ticket for further investigation. Your live monitoring dashboard can be customized to monitor network devices and/or customer websites in one comprehensive view to give you an instant snapshot into the live status. Emsada can continue to monitor websites directly from the cloud, but that's not all. Technicians can also tell any local agent to monitor specific equipment that is not connected to the internet, such as manufacturing equipment. Emsada has several dashboards which can be used to watch and measure the tasks, progress, and key performance indicators of your technicians, agents, and tickets. Use this information to accurately assess customer load, technician or department efficiency, and critical services that may be required, such as Windows updates or hardware refreshes. This means that additional revenue opportunities are not missed. From the technician's perspective, the support dashboard gives you a complete on-demand overview of your tickets. Check your newest tickets, your average response time and average resolution time, which is perfect for your internal KPIs. You can also assess your queue and show how many tickets are new, waiting, or resolved. From the agent dashboard, you can see live server communication, client communication, and more, with OS end-of-life, out-of-date antivirus, and storage capacities clearly summarized. The Support Manager dashboard shows to which technicians tickets have been assigned, how long each ticket is taking, and how many tickets have been opened over the past 30 days, letting you monitor your team's workload quickly and easily. The Support Manager Actions dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of tickets per team member viewed against the total number of tickets, which is perfect for monitoring workload and assessing technician performance. Emsada allows you to create billing reports within the software, with automatic calculations taking into account the customer's rate, the time spent on tickets, inclusive minutes, and more. This means that you can monitor your low and high usage departments or clients, perfect for planning, future pricing, and distributing resources. Emsada makes it easy to measure and show your wins and losses with a powerful report designer. In the Report Designer tab, you can create complete reports with graphs, links to individual and grouped tickets, billable items, and more. Every report you create can be easily viewed in Emsada or exported to Microsoft Office or Adobe Reader. Out-of-the-box reports include number of tickets per technician, over or under usage of time, agent reports detailing device usage and load, average response times, and customer summary. End-to-end encryption is used in all communications between Emsada's servers, the console, used by technicians to access Emsada's features, and the agents, installed on end-user devices for monitoring purposes. All data stored on Emsada's servers is not shared with any third parties and is only accessible by Emsada's technicians solely for troubleshooting purposes. You can now store usernames and passwords in an encrypted vault that only the Emsada user has access to. This can be useful to share password access with other technicians instead of sharing secure details in a Word document or similar. The vault also includes a password generator to easily create passwords, a sometimes time-consuming process.